Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with revision to national income. Let us quickly recall the difference between factor income and transfer payment. Factor income arises due to the result of productive activity, whereas transfer receipt do not arise due to any productive activity. Now, factor income is paid to the factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, whereas transfer receipts are not paid to the factors of production. Factor income is included in national income and estimates, whereas transfer receipts are excluded from national income and estimates. Example of factor income are, that is, rent, wages, interest and profit, whereas transfer receipts examples are scholarship to students, old age pension, lotteries, remittance from abroad. All these are one sided payment. As a result, they are not included in national income. Now, there are three methods for measuring national income, that is NNPFC, net national product at factor cost. First one is income method, second expenditure method, and third one is output method or value added method. When I talk about output method, product method or value added method, we get gross value added equals to value of output less intermediate goods. That is, first of all we need to find GVOMP, that is sales plus change in stock. After getting GVOMP, we need to subtract intermediate consumption, that is raw material cost. Now after deducting, what you get is GDP MP or GVA MP, that is gross value added at market price. That is GVA, that is gross value added. See, when I talk about gross value added, it includes all three sector: primary, secondary and tertiary. GVA MP equals to GDP MP, that is gross domestic product at market price. Now, in order to calculate national income, that is NNPFC, from GDP MP, what you need to do is you need to subtract depreciation plus net factor income from abroad plus net indirect taxes. That is how you can calculate, that is indirect taxes minus subsidies, you will get NNPFC. Now another method for calculating national income, that is income method. With the help of income method, you need to calculate compensation of employees, that is key. It refers to all the monetary and non-monetary benefits which employee receive directly or indirectly from their employers in return for rendering their productive services, that is COE, that is compensation of employees, plus operating surplus, it is the income earned from property and entrepreneurship, plus mixed income, that is income of own account workers or incorporated enterprises, that is called as mixed income. What you get from that is NDPFC, that is net domestic product at factor cost. Now what does compensation include? That is COE includes salary and wages in cash or salary and wages in kind, or else sometimes in questions it is given that contribution to social security schemes or fund, that is also a part of salary, so that also you are going to add in COE. Then what is operating surplus? Operating surplus is income from either property or entrepreneurship. If it is from property, that is rent from land, interest from capital, and royalty from patents or copyright. Income from entrepreneurship includes profit in case of dividend, corporate tax, retained earning, and undistributed profit. All these are the components of income from entrepreneurship. Now, mixed income of self-employed people who earn a living by selling their services or output, but who are not employed by an incorporated business. Income from work, property, and entrepreneurs. Example are small shopkeeper, repair shops, farmers, doctors, bankers. These all are self-employed and they come under mixed income. Now, just to calculate national income, what you get by adding COE plus OS plus MI, what you get is NDPFC plus net factor income from abroad. The rest what you get is NNPFC, that is national product at factor cost or national income. The other method for calculating national income is expenditure method, that is private final consumption expenditure plus private final investment expenditure, government final expenditure plus net export. How you get net export is X minus M, that is export minus import, equals to GDP MP, that is gross domestic product at market price. From GDP MP you need to calculate NNPFC, that we have seen earlier. Again we are going to conduct the same procedure, that is GDP MP minus depreciation plus NFIA plus NIT, that is net indirect taxes, equals to NNPFC. Please keep this in mind that whenever you calculate it national income by product method or expenditure method, what you get is GDP MP. While calculating national income with the help of COE plus OS plus MI, what you get is NDPFC. Please keep this in mind. Now there are certain important questions. Explain the production method of estimating national income. Why are the exports included in the estimation of domestic product by expenditure method? Can gross domestic product be greater than national product? Explain any two precautions that should be taken while estimating national income, that is value added and income method both. State any 6 precaution which must be taken while estimating factor income. Explain the income method of estimating national income. Mention the various precautions to be observed while calculating national income by expenditure method. Explain in brief the various component of expenditure method. Discuss the various steps of expenditure method for calculating national income. These are all long type question and answer, but definitely you will get one sum of 6 marks that you need to calculate. If it is given that you need to calculate it with the help of product method or income method, then you are going to use that, or else whatever method you like you can use it. Now over here what you can see is calculate national income at factor cost from the following data using product method and income method. Both the method, the answer is going to occur the same, and you need to calculate it with both the methods. Now over here calculate gross domestic product at market price, that is GDP MP, that you need to calculate, not NNPFC. Over here national income is not asked, what you need to calculate is gross domestic product at marketplace. Please read the question properly and then calculate. Do not be in hurry to put down the items. First write down the formula and then substitute the value of that. Otherwise you are going to miss it out someone and your answer will be wrong in that case. With the help of production method and income method, over here with the help of both the method you need to calculate GDP MP. Now over here given the following data about an economic estimate net domestic product at factor cost, that is NDPFC. Please read question once and then you start answer. Otherwise directly if you start calculating national income it will be wrong. By expenditure method and product method, you are going to solve this with both the methods, that is expenditure as well as product method. Thank you.